Math 6, 5-4 review. In gym class, the 6th graders walk 2 laps for every 3 laps they run. If the students run 12 laps, how many laps will they walk? Complete the table, then plot the pairs of values on the coordinate plane. I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, what we've got going on here, we are going to, let's see, let's have the number of laps that you run be the x-axis and the number of laps that you walk be the y-axis. The reason why I say that is typically when you have a table on its side, like this table right here is on its side, the thing on top is usually the x's and the thing on bottom is usually the y's. You could flip-flop those and you'll still get the right answer. But there you go. So we're just creating a bunch of ratios that are equivalent to 3/2. So 3/2 is equivalent to 6/4 because to get from 3 to 6 you would have doubled it, so you double the 2. To get from 3 to 9 you would triple it, so 2 tripled is 6. To get from 3 to 12 you'd multiply it by 4, so 2 times 4 is 8. If I went too fast just then, hit pause, rewind, and watch that part again. So now we're going to plot these ordered pairs. Running 3 laps, 3 would have been right there. And walking 2 laps, 2 is right here. So the spot where those two come together, 3 laps running and 2 laps walking, is right here. 6 and 4, I'm going to go to 6 on this axis and 4 on that axis, and I'm going to put a point where those things meet. 9 and 12, 9 would have been here between 8 and 10, here's 12. 9 and, 9 and 6, my bad. Here's 9, there's 6, and then 12 and 8. Here's 12. I'm going to go up to 8 and put another point. And do you notice that these are going in a straight line? If you run 0 laps, you would also walk 0 laps. So if you check this out, let me see if I can do this like it's a straight line here. Is that an option on this? I'm not even sure. Let's see. Here it is. There we go. So I should be able to draw what appears to be a straight line through these if I can. There we go. Draw a straight line through them. And what's the question they ask? How many, if the students run 12 laps, if you run 12 laps, how many laps would they walk? And the answer is 8 laps. And you can see it up here, but you can also see it down here on this graph. They will walk 8 laps.